Hey everyone, this is Shadeshna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For my first ever video on YouTube, I thought of doing something very basic, very simple, very everyday sort of makeup look. So as the title suggests, for this look you have to just have 5 products and you have to spend 5 minutes to get glammed up on a daily basis. If you are a beginner especially, this kind of makeup look is gonna be a gem for you to start with. So I'm gonna stop blabbering now and we'll just jump into the video. Keep watching guys. So first I'll be starting with a concealer. I'll be applying the concealer wherever I do have imperfection I feel. The concealer should match your skin tone and you can use whichever concealer you have. I am using the Loreal True Match one. Next I'll be starting blending this concealer with my fingers. Next I'll be using a brush to just have a smooth application of the concealer all over my face. Once I'm done with my concealer, I'll be using a powder to set my face. Next for my blush, I'm using a palette which is from Sivana Colors. It's a multitasking palette. This sort of palette consists of a blush shade, a contour shade and a highlighter too. I'll be using the contour shade from the same palette to add a little bit color on my eyelids because I don't want my eyelids to be flat. Next I'm going to be using the highlighter shade from the same palette to just highlight my face a little bit. If you are not a highlighter person, you can skip this step. Next I'll be using a mascara. I'll be using the same mascara to comb my brows. Just giving a little bit shape to my brows. Next I'll be using the same highlighter shade to just highlight my inner corner a little bit. So the last product that I'll be using a lipstick. I am using the Blue Heaven one. This is a very nudish sort of brown color. This is gonna suit every Indian skin tone. So yeah, I'm done with my everyday makeup look. So if you like this video, you know the deal what to do. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. So stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye bye.